Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do the color correction to just fix everything just need right now. To use this raw image to change everything into this because the first one doesn't seem being good. So I'm going to show you how to just work with the process and guide you to learn how to just make color correction well. So first, only thing you got to do is that you go to open camera raw filter. So now I've just dropped videos my recent videos you can just watch and from it. So as you can see, this looks so incredible. So first, like I said, you just have to move to color mixer, okay, and move to the orange. Okay, I've just you can just make it this. I just like this HSL, but I don't like it. I just want the color, the arrangement to be like this so that I can just go to step by step and fix my grading process. So only thing you're gonna do is that first make sure you start from the orange. Orange is based on the skin tone. So this is where you're going to work on it. So okay, so this is how it's going to do it. So I'm going to increase the orange color. Okay, so when you increase it here, when you increase this, make sure you turn the hue to be around this side. Okay, so let's see before and after. Okay, so we are just getting there. So pushing it to be like this and this, and make sure you just put the luminous to just brighten. You can make it to cool like this. I just want to get every process my process to be like this. Okay, then you move to the yellow and make sure the yellow you just increase it, but make sure you turn the yellow the hue to around this side. I mean anyway, because I don't know the image you're gonna use, but make sure you will just arrange it well. Okay, so I prefer to make so let's just be around this side. Okay, 57 and this dub and the green. Okay, so if you want to start about this, make sure you just check the hue, which one is best for you to just maintain it. So I think here is cool. Then I will just increase it just a little bit. And you can try the luminous to make it a little bright. 79 to 33, 45. Okay, and let's see before and after. So I'll change the lips, and then around here I change the color, the yellow color to something like this. Okay, then we get to the around to this one. Then let's see. So check the background, set effect in the background. So make sure you just increase it like this. And I don't know how you're gonna do your own, but you'll push the luminous to be around 21, and make sure you just push this one to 68. Okay, and anytime you just work and just work, let's see, just done with something, try to check the before and after. Click here. Okay, after. So and then you come back again and you increase it, the background and the background. Okay, so when it just increase it like this, okay, see, it's just affecting the side, and you can just push it and change the hue, the one which is just best for you. So I'm going to maintain it to be around here 35. So when you get to this point, okay, everything was just done great. So see before and after. So I'm going to move to basic, and here's it where I'm going to make everything just be final. So you just push the black. Okay, so let the black be around this side, and the shadow just a little bright, and let's just take the highlights to be around plus 15, plus 58. Okay, and turn the black to 49 around here. Okay, and you can just increase this. So when you're done with this process, you can just increase this one too, and anytime just check and after. Then I'll just turn the whites to be around this side. Okay, 12 around this side, 12, and the shadow is going to be around this side, down cool like this, like 15. Okay, and the highlights, okay, to be around, let's say, let's keep into the 30. And as you can see, this looks so great. And then you move to the curves. Okay, when you get to the curves, make sure you just click on this whites and click here and click here and click here. Okay, so you can make it straight and it's fix it to make the skin just pop up. So this is how I used to just work on it all the time. Okay, okay, okay. So let's just let one be around this side, and here don't push into here. It's gonna give you something like offsets. So let's just be around this side, and that's it. Boom. So that's how I used to just grade my stuffs. I take my time to work on the process to get everything I just need. And I love doing, I mean, working on like color correction, doing color grading stuffs. And you can watch, I mean, a lot of my videos, my various videos. You can just watch it and learn a lot of things from those, I mean, videos. Okay, so that's it. And you click on it. We're not done it, we did it. Okay, so when you get to this point, okay, click on this new layer and change it. Or you can maintain the black. Black is normal, but let's just keep the whites. So when you get to the whites, make sure you just increase the hardness. Sorry, the size, and let the hardness to be around 0. And then you just paint it, but make sure the opacity is going to be 100. Okay, so when you get to this point, do the same thing around here. Okay, and change this. Okay, just work on it. So turn this one to color. Okay, so when you get to the color, it's going to give you nice white color, and there's something we need to fix. Okay, so let's choose the eraser tool and reduce the point. Okay, and let's bring this one out. Okay, and let's see before and after. Okay, then when done with it, hit Control plus E and add them together. That's it. So this is how I used to just grade my stuff all the time. So guys, I'm weak, and comment and like, and see you for the next video. Bye.